is this? Oh, you cannot see the image chat. You cannot see the image chat. Who is this? What the? Who is this? My chat. Oh, that's just my granny. I'm out. Who is this right here? Yeah. Oh, baby, come back, baby. Come back, baby. They riding in the Tesla, y'all. They riding in the Tesla. No, babe. Babe, I got you. Yeah. I got you. I got your tag number. I got your tag number. You're mad. I got your tag number. You're mad. Babe, I'll crack your car down. Yeah. Testing the food. Hold on a second. Hey, chick, grabbing. Like, child, I was even hungry. Oh, damn, they're going to taste bad. I don't even know. They didn't put enough cheese on there.
Glad once again. I'm going to get my face. No, you're stuck here. Hold it. Never mind. Okay.
The wings are not mine. I've been trying to play. Oh, it's cold outside. That's salty corn, but are those seasoned? Oh, hell yeah. I know y'all sneezing about your food. Put your dog. Chicken. Dropping the phone. It's not hot.
Don't test the wine.
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's not hot, yo. Like, this is literally like, it's not hot. That's alright. got a little dirty pepper to wash it down. We got a dirty peppy to wash it down. No! How you doing that? Another chicken. Yeah, man. It won't make me die, Mama. How hot the chicken is. The hot. Bro, this is for your own list. Like, look how hot the chickens are. Like, chat, look at how hot the chickens are. Like, dang, like, point it to the camera. Like, point the See, like, look how hot it is. Like, yo, I bet y'all can even just smell it from here. It's dang. LeBron James.
No, you cannot. It's so high. Okay, she's gonna get you a drink.
What kind of question is that? Cash or card? You know you're choosing card. Like, who pays in cash? Are those wings hot? Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, no, I'm good. Yeah, we have to take a break.
Mushroom chicken.
Yeah, we may have to take a break from that spicy chicken. Not because it's hot, because like it smells.
My mouth and all the way up to my lips.
Oh yeah, that Panda Express food. Okay, but and so now, I would order the puppy. She was like, Mr. Fireman. POV, I'm taking this chicken that way. I'm not even gonna clip it when I show you my Dr. Pepper because I know actually I'm not gonna clip it. Like y'all, like look, I'm not even clipping it, like pausing the video. Like look, I'd even drunk half of mine, yeah? That's how much I spend time on wings and not my drink. Sometimes you wings, not your drink. Excuse me. 10 out of 10 dinner. Go dinner, go dinner. If you don't know, we're in Chattanoga, Tennessee, right off of I-75, Gyatt ParkWay. Waka waka eh. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. One more bite and someone else can order food. I don't know why. Two oceans in Big KFC. Hello? Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Follow WingStop. And I don't know if they make TikToks. I have to check.
In the house to eat, but she wouldn't come in the house.
Like how, like they say add you, but and show your faults, like.
She's eating Britain's cat food. She puts cat food up on the back every day.
But like they never add me back, so I don't think that's the point of what's the point of doing it. If you want to follow, you can count for followers, quote unquote followers. Last chicken. KFC.
Are you getting I-75?
I had to eat all day, so I feel like watching March Madness. But who's gonna put the phone up there? I'm not gonna lie, who's put their phone up there? I think Okay, here comes. One more time. I promise you. Yeah, well, he not answering. That's how for the chicken today. I know, I told you. That food was good actually. This is the end of me eating, so. That's Chattanooga.